This is Trenhams Accident Repair Centre, and we've been at the heart of car repairs along the Yorkshire coast for over 20 years. A quick phone call to our friendly, helpful team is all it takes to get the ball rolling. We understand that accidents happen, so we endeavour to get your vehicle back on the road as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Using the latest techniques, the most up-to-date equipment and fully accredited technicians, we offer a wide range of accident repair services for your domestic, commercial and industrial fleets of vehicles. Our family-owned business understands how important your vehicle is to you, which is why we'll work around the clock to ensure you get the service and end result you want. From paintwork correction using the latest equipment for that perfect finish, to complete wheel refurbishment and wheel alignment, which is provided as standard by Trenhams. Our attention to detail is the envy of our competitors, and our teams are passionate about their work. Whether it's a scratch, dent or something more serious, you'll always receive the very best service. Our methods employ the latest infrared alignment technology, meaning we won't be happy with your vehicle until we know it's safe and performing to the best of its ability. If you've been in an accident or want to find out more, get in touch with the experts in accident repair and speak to Trenhams Accident Repair Centre today.